Hi viewers, today we're looking at the Excel VBA CVDate formula or function in Excel 2013 which converts a value to a variant date. Basically what I need to do first is in the View tab right here in Excel, click on the drop down on the macro section and the macro button, click on record macro, and then I'm going to give this macro a name of CVDate FX, and then click on OK and stop that macro there. Then in order to write the code inside it, I'm going to click on View Macro and edit that macro, and within this I'm going to get rid of these comments and I'm going to paste my code in here. The bits in green are basically comments. In here you can see active cell dot formula R1C1 means insert the following formula as a value. Equals always succeeds the active cell dot formula R1C1 statement, and within that, after that equals, you actually write your formula in, your VBA formula, which is CVDate convert to variant date, and then within that you've got the active cell dot offset, which means move my calculate the value for the current active cell from another cell. So you can see it says bracket, then row offset colon equals 0 means you don't need to move up or down. You can stay in the same line or on the same line. And column offset equals -10 means take the value from the cell to the left by the left, the 10th left cell basically. I'm going to change that to 1 to make this easier. So just to make this easier to use, so it's saying offset, column offset, and calculate the value for this CV or variant date from the cell right next to the active cell that I'm calculating the formula in. So if I close that, and in here in cell B3, it's gonna use a calculation from cell A3 adjacent to it on the left. So if I click on View Macro and run, it basically has created a variant date. So from this value of 123, the VBA macro has created a formula, a date version from this of the 2nd of May 1900, and basically that's how you create a formula to convert any value into any numeric value or date value into a date variant.